I've always wanted to be a bushcrafter and live in the woods eating snails and cake. Up until now I've always been an ordinary boy, but now I am Billy Bushcrafter.
Hi! I'm Bushcraft Billy, and today I'm at the wilderness gathering. I'm going to do a review on this knife, and it's very sharp. It's got a handle, it's got a blade, it's got a pointy bit on the end, and I use it for killing dinosaurs and cutting up cake. It's like a woodlaw on steroids. So now I'm going to put it through a few tests and show you how it performs. Right! Now we're going to cut up a piece of cake. Here's the cake. This knife cuts through cake like it was butter. It's the sharpest knife in the world. Nothing cuts cake better than a Ramirez orange lemon knife. Watch this tremendous action. Yeah! Beat that, Alan Wood. There we go! A woodlaw! It's steroids! I'm going back to my cave now to make a